introduction? Let me give you an introduction. So last up, before we'll be tying up any questions and heading off to happy hour or to the opening of the convention floor, we have Mark Canepa, who recently took over as the acting VP of our worldwide support organization. And he's going to be talking about changes in the past year and what we have coming up in the future to support our users, our customers. We talk a lot about technology, but supporting you once we sell is a really big deal to us too, and that's what Mark's job is.
All right, thanks Molly, and thanks for putting me right between you and the drinks. So I will try to get through this as quickly as possible. So you've heard from Alex, who's painted the vision. We're past blocks, we're not just about file systems. It's really about collaboration, it's objects, it's about policy, it's about ILM, it's about a whole set of things that let you solve problems. You've heard from a lot of our customers about the things that they're doing today and the kinds of things they're going to be doing within your technology. So why am I here? I'm here because at some point you're going to have to architect this stuff, you're going to have to design it, you're going to have to implement it, and once it's in production, you're going to have to support it. So let's talk a little bit about what we've done over the last year in order to position ourselves to be able to do a better job for you. So first of all, a lot of work has been done post-sale. A lot of work has been done to improve the supportability of our products, to be there when you need us. This is what you've told us. We now have over 90% satisfaction. It's never good enough. I know that if your system has a problem, you don't care that everybody else is happy. So I've got to make sure that our team is there, not just for everybody else, but we're there for you. And you can count on me to be able to continue to do that, and continue to improve the training and capability and supportability of our team, and working backwards into the engineering organization to ensure that our products become more supportable, more usable, easier to deal with as time goes on. So there's a lot of reasons why this has improved. We've really done a lot of work within the organization. We've built an entire escalation structure. We've put people in place whose job it is to manage your issues from cradle to grave and ensure that they're resolved. The other thing we've done is to make sure that we don't stop there. Every major issue has a root cause built in, has an analysis, has a set of corrective actions that we drive all the way back into product development. You know, it might not just take a few days to do this. You may not see some of the results until you get into the next product cycle, but you will eventually see that our products continue to get better. So you can count on not only the work that we're doing within the service and support organization, but the linkage back into engineering. The other thing is we're hiring. We have about 150 professionals that are out there focused with deep skills on both pre-sales activities, post-sales professional services, as well as support services. And we continue to build this out on a worldwide basis. We continue to hire. We continue to look for skill sets. If you're out there and you know of anybody that you think will line up well with us, just kind of let us know. As you're seeing, our product line continues to get more complex. And so the variety of skill sets that we have to bring within the organization are going to continue to have to improve as well. And we're there to ensure that we do that with our own people, to make sure that training continues on an ongoing basis, and that we continue to hire the right skill set as time goes on. We talk a lot about the end-to-end product line. As I said earlier, as Alex mentioned, it's more than just block and more than just file systems. So as the complexity of the end-to-end, we have to be able to bring the skill set in place to be able to handle that kind of capability. It's about augmenting our block and parallel file systems with CIFS and NFS and POSIX compliant. It's really building out our object access methodology, the underlying object systems. Like I said, you have my commitment that we're able to continue to drive the organization in that direction. So with that, I'm going to bring up some conclusions. We have some of the smartest people around. You can always use more. We have the right skill set to manage your deepest problems. You can count on us to help you solve your most complex and challenging problems. With that, I think I'm going to turn it back over to Molly.
All right, thanks, Mark.